Hello guys, this is Harshit Agarwal and today I'm gonna share with you the beautiful drink, and the beautiful drink is Strawberry Punch. Well guys, Strawberry Punch is a beautiful drink and has the flavor accompanied of strawberry, lemon and some mint. So guys, without wasting time, let's start. And guys, start करने से पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए. So guys, without wasting time, let's start. Okay, first we take a shaker. Then we have to put some mint leaves in it. Freshly plugged mint leaves. Okay. Tap. Drop. Okay. Then we have to take some lemon juice. 30 ml lemon juice. Okay. So it's 30 ml lemon juice. निकल नहीं रहा. One more time. This. Okay. It's 30 ml lemon juice in it. Okay guys. Then we have to put some strawberry syrup. Strawberry syrup. Okay. 60 ml strawberry syrup. Whoa. 60 ml strawberry syrup. Okay. Put in the shaker. And guys, where's the cap? Here is the cap. Then guys, we have to put some soda in it. This is the soda. Okay. Add some ice in it. Beautiful. Okay, ice in the shaker. It's done. And finally, shake it time, bro. Done. So here's the shaker. Now, guys, I have some special thing for you. See? Beautiful. See? The strawberry in the ice. So guys, we have to fill it glass with strawberry ice. Okay? I have to take some strawberry ice in it. Fill the glass with strawberry ice. Ice. Whoa. Beautiful. And so pour it. Now it's poured. Baby. Whoa. Beautiful drink. Guys, and we have to top up with soda. Some top up on it. Beautiful guys. See. And the last thing is, you know everyone, garnish. So I have some strawberries. Okay. We have to put some strawberries on it. Okay, and some mint leaves. We have to put some mint leaves. Wow. So guys, this is strawberry punch. Beautiful.